So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. And you can either buy the necklace or you can buy the kit to make your own necklace. What I really like about handmade items is that you're not going to find the same item anywhere else. So that's really what makes it very unique. So let's get to work right now. The whole thing that we need to make this necklace, it will be like seed beads, and I have different colors here, and I have the silver ones, and you need a freshwater pearl, and then you need, of course, you need some jewelry glue, and you need two pliers. These do not come with the kit, neither the glue or the pliers. It comes with the big long, it's called Fire Line, and it's the 10-pound one. You can use a different wire, but this is very resistant. And plus the necklace is very lightweight. You also need some 2 crimps. And if you're not a person who makes a lot of jewelry, you don't want to buy a big bag of everything, right? Why would you want that if you're barely testing it out? You know, test it out. Otherwise, you're going to end up with all these bunch of different DIY items that you're never going to use again. This is a lobster clasp, and this comes with the other side, so you don't use a ring. And this is a 0.925 silver, and then you have it comes with the rings also. These are silver plated. And then I think I'm missing something. Okay, yeah, this right here. You also need 2 of these crimps. I'm sorry, 2 ends that's gonna hide and make. It's gonna hide the ends, and it's gonna make your piece of jewelry look very pretty. We're gonna go ahead and start, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna secure one end. So pretty much you're gonna put your end through it, and then you're gonna put this is called a crimp. I'm a left-handed, so sometimes I struggle with like turning things or having to turn things around. But you do what you think is more comfortable with you or for you, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your pliers, and you're gonna grab this here, and you're gonna press it. And it's gonna look like this. So that's gonna secure your line, okay? Then you're gonna bring this up, and we need to finish secure it, but first of all, we need to cut what is coming out. So we just go ahead and cut that just like that, and then you get a little drop of glue on each side. Be careful, always keep a towel or some cottons on next to you in case you need to clean it. So then you're gonna go ahead and bring this together. I like these kind of ends because the 2 meet together. I don't like the one that it only has one on one side, because to me it looks kind of funky, if I may say. So what you do is you go ahead and close right there. So what the glue is going to do is that it's going to finish securing. The crimp is already securing your line, but this is going to help it secure more. So you can just leave it like that. And what we're going to do, we're making I think it's a 18 or 19 inch. And then so what I did, and that's that's what you get on your kit, is that, again, I'm a left-handed. Remember, I'm a left-handed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 20 of this and one of those. And that's what's going to make, it's going to look like that. I started it with 10 and 1, but it looked like too much silver, and I didn't want that much silver. So I'm gonna be doing on one side. We're working on one side, so we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets of 20. So we're just gonna start working on that. These are very easy to be put in. If you have a problem with that, you can buy a needle and it'll, I think the number 10 is good for seed beads. So pretty much you just start putting your, you can do a pattern. These seed beads are about, I think there are 5 different colors, but I don't do that. So there we have 10. And this gets easier as you keep doing it, okay? The first few times is like, oh, but then believe me, everything that you do on a regular basis, it starts getting easier. And just so you know, guys, the gifts that you provide, the little things that you send me, all that money goes to my missions for my church. We already have a church in every state in the United States, and we have opening churches all over the world. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. So here's our first set of 20 and 1 silver. So we're going to continue like that until we get until we have 8 sets of 20. Okay, so I have 8. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 more beads because we're right in the middle. So you can put between 3 and 5 beads. So I'm going to put 3 beads, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert my freshwater pearl. This is a big one. This is a big, I mean, compared to like this size, this is a nice size. So if you want to buy the necklace rather than making it, and if you like this one with the large bead, just go ahead and send me a message letting me know that you want this specific one. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add another 3 silver. Again, it looks good with between 3 and 5, but I'm doing 3 right now. So we're at the half point. This is what we have so far. Okay, so now we're going to do 8 sets of 20 of the color ones with 1 silver in between. Okay, so let's work on that. Okay, so at this point I'm already done with the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna go ahead and close it. In this part of the video, I'm gonna do the finish that I did here. The video before this one, it's a live that I did on TikTok, and at the end of the live, I received a phone call and it stopped the image, and I didn't realize that until I was cleaning it up to post it on here on YouTube. So I wasn't it didn't show the last part. So I'm making this bracelet, so I'm going to be doing the last part here. So pretty much we do what we did in the beginning, but the only difference is that this piece right here, the end, we're going to open it up a little more. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in. And then we're going to go ahead and put the crimp in there. And the reason why we do that is that if the end is closed, where it doesn't give you a lot of space to secure the crimp. So this is how it looks. See, the opening is bigger, so that keeps your beads down, and then you can go ahead and grab it and just get your pliers and go in there, fix it, and press. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of glue, and let's go ahead and cut this. So I know this part of the video is going to look a little different, but thank you for understanding. So we add a drop of glue in each side. I mean, you don't have to, but I like to do that just to secure everything in place, and so that you don't have any boo-boos. So now you just go ahead and close it up. Okay. and go ahead and finish it up. And this is the end result. Okay, and nice and secure. And this is the necklace. Okay, remember that you can check on the description box for links of if you want to buy the necklace or if you want to buy the kit. And it also is going to have links that is going to take you to where you can buy all the pieces, everything, if you want to buy it in a bigger quantity. Okay, so that's all for me, guys. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments what you think and what other kind of videos would you like me to do. Right now what I'm doing is I do a TikTok live and then I convert it into a video for you guys. But for right now, that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.